Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to review this microphone, and I haven't listened to this yet, so hopefully it's not peaking because I have my camera turned down all the way and it really seems like it's kind of getting up there. And I have the limiter turned off on the camera because I just want to see what the mic sounds like. This is the Pyle-Pro PMEM1 ear-worn omni-directional 3.5 millimeter microphone. I have it plugged right into my Panasonic Lumix G85, and so this is what it sounds like. Now, the reason I'm reviewing this particular mic is I have one of my female viewers was asking about a recommendation for a wireless lav system that she could use on her channel. Now, I went to her channel and we talked back and forth a little bit. She primarily does Taekwondo videos, and she does like guided meditation, some like girly type stuff, and a little bit of travel. Excuse me. But primarily her channel is Taekwondo, and I don't think a wireless lav system is her best bet. And this is why I wouldn't choose that particular kind of system for her situation. One, wireless systems, they just eat up a ton of batteries, so that's going to add a lot of cost to producing your videos. They really do eat up a lot of battery power. Also, they're susceptible to interference. Like if it was a thunderstorm or something, a lot of times they'll get like crackles in the background, just from electromagnetic interference. I've had interference from radio stations. I've had interference from like all kinds of things with wireless systems, especially inexpensive ones. Once you get them into the higher end ones, they're a little bit less problematic, but they're still not perfect. So if you could stay away from a wireless system and go to one of those body pack style recorders, or a recorder, or just a small recorder. So I would say Tascam has one, I think is the DR10. Zoom has the F1. Those are both battery pack style recorders. The Zoom is a little bit bigger and has a better screen on it, a little more robust probably. The Tascam has been out for a lot longer. It's a smaller pack, and it's a little more plasticky, but I think a lot of people use these for weddings, so if it can stand up to wedding use, I think it would probably stand up to what she needs. Also, the Tascam one comes in black or white, so if you got a white one, it would make it a little easier to hide that on your person, in your gi or something. So I would try a mic like this, maybe not this inexpensive. I'm not sure how good it sounds. I'm actually kind of curious to how well it's isolating the sound, considering it's full on storming right now, lightning, thunder, all that going on right outside the window here. So it's fairly loud in here. But this should do a pretty good job of isolating that noise. Another problem that Nora has in her particular situation is the space that she records in is a little bit live. It's kind of reverberant. So I think this would help. I would recommend like watching my video on how to shoot in a reverberant space to have a better idea of how to take care of some of that particular issue, but this should also help. I think that's it. I think that's all I have for you today. I love you all, and I hope to see you in the comments. Go check out Nora's channel. She does have this like really peaceful like way about her, which is kind of awesome. I love it. And just if you're into Taekwondo or meditation or something like that, go check out her channel. Give her a little bit of love. I will see you all in the next video.